Hi everyone, today I want to tell you about an important update of Flared2. We've just released the new Lite version. Flared2 Lite is a simplified edition designed to let anyone explore the add-on without having to commit to full license right away. It's perfect for those who want to see if Flared fits into their workflow, meets their technical or artistic needs, and truly delivers what they expect. It's not a demo, and it's not a crippled version either. It's a real tool with a carefully selected set of generators and presets that you can use in real-world scenes. It works seamlessly with Eevee and cycles, and most importantly, everything runs in real time directly in the viewport, just like the full version. Of course, since it's the Lite version, it doesn't include the advanced generators of the full preset library. But there's more than enough to test your workflow, build impressive visual effects, and see the real creative potential of Flared2. And if you ever decide Flared is the right tools for you and want to upgrade to the full version, you won't lose anything. You'll only pay the price difference. No extra fees. It's a direct upgrade. This is possible because Superhive manages license smartly, and the value of the Lite version is fully recognized. The idea behind all of this is simple: make Flared2 more accessible without compromise, and at the same time respect the time and choices of the artists who decide to try it. We don't want Flared to be one of those add-ons you buy, test, and regret because it didn't do what you expected. Flared2 was built to be immediate, powerful, and creative. And now, with the Lite version, you can truly start using it right away. That's it. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me directly. See you next time. Thank you.